Now we have some major updates to the price prediction and news on Gala that we could be seeing one of the best buy opportunities for the Gala token in the coming days or even week or two. I'll be going through it all in this video, including my price prediction and price prediction from many crypto traders on crypto Twitter. So we kind of get the gist of where Gala will be heading, and you as a Gala holder or someone that is looking to buy more Gala tokens will have a good understanding on where Gala could be heading and where the bottom will hit, so you can get Gala for the best price really. But with that being said, remember that nothing is financial advice. Please do your own research. Everything in this video is public knowledge, is public info and personal opinions and all latest news regarding tokens. Nothing should be ever treated as financial advice and should take everything in this video with a grain of salt. Now, Gala is sitting at 2 cents at the moment. Now with that being said though, the volume has been seeing increases in the past couple days as people have been starting to realize we could be closing down in the bottom of the price for the Gala token. 72% increase, and to be fair, there has been an average increase recently in the last couple of days of around the same. Now Gala, as you can see here, we're starting to see a bounce back within the token, and I do want to go through some price predictions from Twitter before I go through myself. Now XMCN on Twitter said the coin have picked up Gala, buy after breakout retest 2770. Please grab small bags and don't all in. Stop loss daily closure below 0.024, 10%, so manage your risk. Never buy before breakout. So yeah, he actually ended up buying Gala from the looks of it at his buy after breakout on retest 2770, and he put his stop loss at 0.0245. So I think he is actually longing the token for a quick gain, I'm guessing, but there isn't much info on this at the moment from what he actually said. But I'm thinking he just actually put a long trade into this token, and he's got his stop loss at 0.0245. which is interesting. This is a pretty recent tweet as well. But yeah, next up on the next tweet, we have this price prediction from Crypto Sensei. This one's actually pretty interesting, consolidating in a rectangle pattern between 0.024 cents and 0.028 cents. A recovery for Gala would mean a breakout on the upside and then reclaiming that 0.032 as support. Bearish scenario is losing support from 0.24 and going straight to 0.02, and this is the chart we can see here. If it breaks that 0.032 point, we're going to be seeing support for the token and for the price to hold up at that point, which is obviously really good, right? Especially if you're accumulating at these points. Now if we see this bearish scenario play out, we could be seeing, if it breaks this 0.024, so this point here, to be fair, so just this point here, which it didn't break, right? So it didn't break this 0.024 here as of yet. It might do later. If it does, we could be going straight down to exactly 2 cents or maybe slightly lower. But that is his price prediction. Makes complete sense. You know, we're consolidating in a rectangle pattern and we can definitely see this happening. Now moving on to the next tweet from Just Rolex, you got this is his price prediction. Gala, hold this level or let's go back to the beginning. So he's saying 0.237. that's the point he's seeing, you know, being the bottom really, you know, for support for the token. But you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it does go lower. For the time being, it has held up from that point really, from 2.4 it's held up and it's currently sitting at 2.493, so about 2.5 if you round it up. And yeah, it's somewhat of a accurate, I guess, support level there. But Mimwiz posted this tweet as well on longing Gala, buy low, sell high. Yeah, easier said than done. But you can see here, he's seems like he's actually longing the token from 0.025, which is an interesting. It could pull it off depending on how much leverage is in. If it's on low leverage, this is definitely a possibly good trade, as we are going to be seeing the bottom of this token very, very soon. Right, so he is longing Gala in this scenario. Next up, we have Mike, who tweeted out, I'm still searching for the next 100x altcoin. Follow, because when I find out, we're shitting it recklessly. And then Crypto CEO replied, take a look at Gala. I think at least 30 to 50x for sure for the Gala token. and you know, this is pretty accurate, I would say. In my opinion, this is pretty realistic for Gala. A 30 to 50x is extremely realistic if you look at the track record, the chart, and where it could head off, and also the room for growth that Gala has. At the all-time high, it was sitting at around 80 cents if you round it. At the moment, it's sitting at 2 cents, right? So with that being said, if it breaks the 80H, that's a 40x as it is. And that's kind of the pattern we are probably going to see with Gala. Okay, now next token, the next bit of news that we do have, you know, people also, by the way, replying to that tweet saying that 30x at least, you know, makes sense, more likely 20 to 30. So, you know, he's been corrected from 30 to 50 to 20 to 30, which just shows how, you know, how much room for growth Gala still has from the current position. Started to rebuild a little. Gala bag treated me well recently, and you can see here he's been buying at pretty good points, and that's really what you should be doing, is buying at these low points. And not just these low points, is the days you see these red candles. So, you know, he could have bought it there, he didn't, but he ended up buying here, but which is still a really good point. You know, he bought here, which, you know, you might think is a bad point to buy. It looks like he also sold afterwards, but you know, he's buying on the days he sees red. He's dollar cost averaging from the looks of it on the days you see red, which are the best times to be accumulating any crypto really for the best low average price, right? So the days you see red, you're buying. And me personally, if you're a long-term investor, you wouldn't be selling, you just be buying in the low days, so you can get an average low price of a certain crypto, which in this case it is Gala. Now the next tweet is from X-Men on Twitter. The coin have picked up Gala, and this is actually from the previous tweet actually. But yeah, if you look at the charts here, actually he does go into detail on where he thinks the low price will be. So the lowest point is 0.24, and he believes it could go upwards to 0.4 cents, which you know, from the current point, there's going to be, I'm pretty sure, around a 50% increase, which is impressive, you know, if it does end up going to 0.4, especially during this Q4 in December. But time will tell, and with how the price is developing at the moment, we could be well heading to 3-4 for sure. 4 cents could be a stretch in the current market conditions. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. It has been your boy Cryptomaxien, and before I actually sign off this video, we're going to be dropping a lot of updates regarding Gala, Quant, Ethereum, XRP, and also I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing some videos on Doge in the coming weeks. Now there is some other tokens like HBAR we're making videos on, and just low cap altcoins that I think actually have potential. But if there is any specific cryptocurrencies that you think are worth making videos on actively and dropping updates on like these, then let me know in the comment section down below, as if there's a good token I see, I will definitely be doing my research and be dropping active updates on them. But yeah guys, that's enough of me waffling here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know again any tokens you want me to make videos on, just let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, it has been your boy Cryptomaxie, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.